Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the Gemini AI extension for your Google Workspace. As you enable the Google Workspace extension in Gemini AI, it can extend to enhance your workspace experience and get a lot of work done. Go to Gemini AI in your Chrome or Edge browser, and then you can see the settings. Click on the settings, go to extensions, and then scroll down and you can see there's a Google Workspace option. If you turn it on, Gemini AI will enable Google Workspace to work on Gemini. So go to settings, go to extensions, scroll a bit down and enable the Google Workspace. Press connect as it will connect it to your Gmail, and then you can search anything from it. Let's suppose I want to search my document. I will just search my resume, hit the send button, and Gemini AI will search for my resume, which is in my Google Drive or any Google Workspace I work in. So you should wait for a while for Gemini AI to load the page, and then if you scroll down, you can see that it has already loaded a CV which is yours. You can check your CV now rather than going and searching for your CV through the drive. So this is how you enable the Google Workspace extension in Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.